Welcome to our series of short videos. In this video, we'll provide a short overview of Microsoft 365 and how it will make you more productive. Microsoft 365, previously known as Office 365, is a software as a service cloud platform. This means that it contains the applications and documents you need to do your job. Effectively, the benefits are that you can 1. Read and edit documents from anywhere on any device. 2. You can securely share documents with other people. 3. You can edit documents collaboratively and simultaneously with others, automatically maintaining a history of all changes. And 4. You build an organizational knowledge base, which avoids recreation of documents. We'll have a look at these features during the online training and in additional videos. Let's have a brief look. I'll open a browser and go to office.com. I will use my credentials to sign in, my email address and password. If required, I will use the authenticator on my phone to verify my identity. I am taken to the Microsoft 365 landing page. This page is unique for every user and shows the documents that you are likely to want to work on. In the quick access section, you will see all the documents that you created or were shared with you. You can use filters to look at subsets. For example, documents that you recently opened or documents that were shared with you. If you will be using a document frequently, you can click on the 3 dots and mark it as favorite. It will then appear under the favorites filter. When you no longer need frequent access to the document, use the 3-dot menu to unfavorite it. You can create your own filters, as I have done here for PowerPoint and Excel files. For example, I'll add a filter for all documents shared by Tracy. In the left menu, we can see the online versions of our usual desktop applications: Outlook, Teams, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. At the top left, we can see the application launcher, which provides access to all the Microsoft 365 applications. We only see some of them, so I'll click on Explore all your apps on the left and then on All apps on the right to view a full list of the applications we have access to. In the training and in additional videos, we'll have a look at some of these apps and how they will improve your productivity. Thank you for watching this video. Try accessing Microsoft 365 on your own to experiment with its capabilities. Search for more videos to find out more about how Microsoft 365 can help you.